cast him off up there then. Athena and Elvis. There they go, look. Seagulls start making a bit of a racket. You all right, Elvis? There they go, look, off they go. Here comes the gulls in to say hello now as well, look. And this is at Vauxhall today. We are here just over the river, South London. We've got Athena and Elvis, Richard's birds, out today. As you can see, he's a cracking little fellow, is Elvis. We've been coming here now for, well, a good couple of years we've been coming here now. And to be fair, the pigeon population has really reduced now. The simple being is we've been doing this twice a week. We come up here, and the crow in the background telling us off. Yeah, we've been coming here now for, like I say, a couple of years. We come around here twice a week. We fly the hawks around on these rooftops. There he comes, look. Good lad, Elvis. Yeah, we fly these birds around on top of these rooftops, trying to move on these pigeons. We've got a lot of problems with feral pigeons and gulls. You can see where we are. We're right on the River Thames. Got loads of buildings, lots of residential flats, which lots of people in these flats feed the pigeons. And all the pest birds, they just sit in areas like this up on top of these high buildings and they just make a complete mess. When we first started taking over, all these benches and stuff were literally covered in fouling. People couldn't come up here and enjoy the area just because of the mess. So, with the help of these old young fellas and our other team of Harris Hawks that we've got Richard and myself. Somewhere up here we have Elvis. Here he comes, right on cue. And yeah, like I say, we just between the team of us, we come around here and we fly the birds around just to move on these pigeons. Used to get a lot of problems with the faults in the buildings where pigeons were trying to get under the railings, nested in the springtime, and you get the problems with the chicks and that. So rather than a massive extensive job of proofing the whole building, which obviously then looked unsightly, it was agreed that we'd give the hawking a go, or the falconry a go. And to be fair, it's really been successful. You can probably hear all the birds in the background making alarm calls, and obviously that's what helps. The seagulls even here know our vans. They see our vans pull up in the mornings, they start making out their alarm calls, and yeah, off they go. Athena wanting to get in the action. As you see, you've got young Elvis here, would just follow Richard anywhere, providing he's the right way, of course. See up above us, you've got the feral pigeons doing the loop-to-loop, you've got the crows. And that's the idea, we just unsettle these birds. A couple of times a week we turn up here and we just keep unsettling them. To the point where this year I don't think even had any breeding pigeons actually successfully nested under this on top of this building. And it's all just simply the fact of the appearance of the hawk on a regular basis. They're a predatory bird. All these other pest birds, they know exactly what the Harris hawk is, albeit that they don't get hunted by it naturally in their normal state, but they still know it's a predatory bird. And it still unsettles them. Every time these female pigeons and the hen birds, they start to think about building nests in the spring and getting comfortable and starting raising young, So we turn up with the hawks and unsettle them to the point where they think it's no longer safe, and they just start to move on and disperse. Used alongside audible bird scarers, laser pens, and like I say, with our team of Harris hawks that we've got, it works really, really well. Like I say, we've got Elvis, we've got Athena, we've got my two, they're not out today, we've got Heidi and Rooster. Between the four of them, they pretty much cover all the work that we do. So yeah, there's a little insight of what we get up to. Like I say, this is just one of the contracts that we've got out of quite a lot now, to be fair. As you can see now, all these pigeons have all been moved on from the rooftops now. They've all stopped circling above, and we'll stay up here now for another hour or so, just doing just keep repeating what we're doing. Like I say, use some audible bird scarer and stuff, and then off we go. And we'll be back again in another couple of days, and it's just carry on that process throughout the year. So anyway, there's a little insight of what we get up to, and yeah, have a nice day.